so we're going to see if chemistry can help us predict if the next president of the United States is going to be a man or a woman. So I'm going to use this cobalt chloride reaction to help us figure this out. Now, if the reaction turns blue, that's a strong indicator that the next president will be a man. If it turns pink, that's an indicator that it'll be a woman. So let's see what happens. First of all, I'm going to put 25 milliliters of butanol in my test tube and some ground up cobalt chloride. There we go. Now I'm just going to shake this a little and see what happens. We can't expect it to be immediate results. Oh boy, that's looking pretty blue. Let's shake it a little more, make sure. Well, so far our prediction is that the next president is going to be a man. But wait, we have another test. The next thing I'm going to do is add some distilled water. Oh, well, that didn't take long, now did it? Let's see, if I gently stir, let's see what color we get. It's looking very pink right now. Now, let's see what happens if we let those two layers separate. So, it looks like we've got a pretty 50% prediction here. Looks like we've got a 50% chance of having a female president, and then the other half is undecided. No, the level of uncertainty means we need to do another test because it's only 50% clear. So let's see what we can, let's do another test. Now I'm going to add some hydrochloric acid. Okay. Oh my goodness. That also was pretty decisive there. Look at that. We've got a blue color emerging, but let me give it a little mix and see what happens. We're back to pink. Whatever blue prediction there was actually canceled out. All right, so we're still undecided though. We've got a 50% prediction of a woman and 50% undecided. We need another test. What if I add a sample of potassium thiocyanate? I'm going to put a little bit of this in and mix it up to dissolve it. Wow. All right, we're getting a nice blue color emerging, but let's see what happens when our layers separate. This is a very interesting development. Are you seeing what I'm seeing here? We have got an equal probability of having a female president and a male president. Well, I've got one more test. And let's see how this goes. So I'm going to add 10 milliliters of silver nitrate. This is a very interesting development. Well, I think it's pretty obvious that the only thing we can say is that our next president will definitely be an American. And we have equal probability of having a female or a male president in 2016.